Hello students, this video is based on lesson number 2, that is digital marketing. So let us start with the first question in the exercise, that is filling the blanks. So I'll just write the answers side by side. So that is filling the blanks. So the first answer for the first question is unpaid search is nothing but dash search. So basically there are two types of search, one is paid and one is unpaid. So unpaid search is called as organic search. So the answer is organic. Okay. Now the next question is program used by search engine to collect the data from the website is called as dash. So basically whenever a program is searched, that program is searched with the help of a crawler. So the right answer here is crawler. So next question, manipulating Google's algorithm to improve the website ranking is dash hat SEO. Basically there are two types of SEO, one is white hat and second is black hat. So white hat is a genuine SEO and black hat is manipulating the Google algorithm. So the answer is black hat SEO. So next question, web analytics service offered by the Google to track and report website traffic is dash. So basically the answer for this is Google Analytics. So we use Google Analytics to track the website's traffic. You can get several informations with the help of it, that at what time your viewers are present. So the right answer is Google Analytics. So we'll carry out with the second question, that is true or false. So the answer for first one, digital marketing requires physical market. So the right answer here is false. Digital marketing does not require any type of physical market. It can be done online. Next is e-commerce deals are carried out in a physical market. So this is also false. Basically e-commerce deals are always carried out with the help of internet, that is online, with the help of electronic devices. You don't require any type of physical market in it. Next is digital marketing is carried out with the help of portal. So this is true. You require a portal, you require a website where you can market your products. So it's very much true. So this is a true answer. Next is in digital marketing, SEO means special executive operations. So this is wrong. The full form of SEO is search engine optimization. So it's not special executive operations. So because of that it is false. So the answer for fifth is the paid advertisement on Google can be identified with the help of paid keyword. So basically there is a paid advertisement, but you can identify it with the help of AD keyword or sponsored keyword, not with the help of paid keyword. So because of that it is false. Okay, you can identify it with the help of AD ad or with the help of sponsored. Sixth one, to make the traffic analysis, SEO technique is used. No, if you want to do any type of traffic analysis, you require Google Analytics, not SEO. So the right answer is Google Analytics. So this is all about exercise number 2. Let's go further with exercise number 3, that is MCQ with one option correct. So the right answer for first one is dash SEO relies on manipulating Google algorithm to improve the ranking. So there are options like red hat, white hat, green hat and black hat. So right answer is black hat. So we'll write here as black hat. Next question is, to analyze the traffic coming to the website tool is used by, the options are SEO Optimer, Google Analytics, GoDaddy, Amazon. So the right answer here is Google Analytics. Okay, so this is the right answer. So we'll write here Google Analytics. Now the third option. So if the speed of displaying the website is slow, then the ranking method is used. Which type of ranking method is used? So basically the ranking method is done with the help of on page, off page. But if the speed is low, then the ranking method is done with the help of technical SEO. Okay, so it will be technical. So this is all about MCQ with one correct option. Now we'll see MCQ with two correct answers, that is question number 7. So we'll go with MCQ with two correct options. So let us come here, first one. So for that we have the question as dash and dash techniques are strategies used to get higher search rankings on a search engine. So options are white hat, red hat, black hat, green hat, blue hat. So red hat, black hat, blue hat, no such hats exist. So the right answer is black hat and white hat. Okay, so answer is black hat and white hat. So we'll just copy paste it here. Okay, so let us go to the second one. So for the second one we have the second question. The product of Google Analytics was originally developed by whom in which year? So the product of Google was developed by Urchin, and it was developed in 2005. So that's the right answer, like 2005. So let us go further with the third part. So here you have valid two types of keywords are. So options are long tail, short tail, small tail, big tail, lengthy tail. So big tail, small tail, no such tails exist. So the right answer is long tail and short tail. So these are the right answers, short tail. Let's go further. So the next question is question number 5, multiple choice questions with 3 correct options. Okay, so let's go further with multiple choice questions with 3 correct options. So the first part is marketing channels in digital marketing are. So basically marketing channels are email marketing, content marketing and mobile marketing. So we'll just take this here. So it's email marketing, then it's content marketing, and then it's mobile marketing. Okay, so these are the answers for it. Let's go with the second one. So with the second one, the valid approaches to SEO to generate a traffic to your websites are dash, dash and dash. So here the answer is on page SEO, off page SEO and technical SEO. So these are the valid answers which comes under this. So I'll just take it like that, on page and off page, and this one option, that is on page SEO. So this is all about the exercise which we have for the lesson, that is digital marketing. All the exercises solved here. You can see the solutions for all the chapter exercise on these channels. I have made it available for you. If any query, you can comment me in the comment section. So this is the assignment exercise for digital marketing. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.